Hi guys, I just got a new selfie stick for Christmas and I'm super excited. I know, I think they're out, but I still love it. Anyway, so I'm holding my stick because I wanted to kind of show you our kitchen space because a lot of people are just shocked when they come in here. I know I've been doing a couple other videos and standing in one place, but anyway, I just wanted to kind of show you what it's like in this kitchen. So I'm standing, this is the window that I'm actually in front of, and then you can see the entire space behind me, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna do a roundabout, and you can see the sink. Anyway, so beautiful double ovens, and this gorgeous thing, this is the pantry. That hidden gem was in my attic when I renovated the house, and oh, my battery's low. And so that got refinished, and I put it in there as pantry door. And then this beauty was underneath about a ton of shiplap, as well as the rest of this house. So as you can see, it has a big commercial fridge, but I opened up all the walls. I have 4 big, huge tables that you can do all your classes, all the classes on. And then as you can see, this is the beautiful, this seats 12 people, big farmhouse table. Thank you, Facebook Marketplace. A little wine bar right there, all the glasses, and then you have openers, there's waters in there. And then over here is the beautiful front door. No, it's not original, but I bought a door that looked like original part of the house. And then all the aprons that I provide are right there. So, and then over here is like where all the sinks and stuff are. But when you come here, you come through it's actually the back door. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of share my space with you because I don't think people really understand, like when they sign up for classes, like if you've never been here, really, sorry, I'm fixing my phone, really what to expect. Oh, that was ugly. Anyway, really what to expect. But anyway, and also I just want to let you know that we do small group parties. You can do up to 16. You can do your own class, and you can do whatever kind of class you want. And I work within everybody's budget, how they want to do it. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know what was out there and what the space looked like. A lot of thought went into how I wanted to have this business, and I wanted to feel like it was like you were coming to my house to have a meal. Only you cook the meal and I just tell you what to do. So hope you enjoyed this video that I made real quick, just to give you an idea of what the gorgeous space is. So anyway, I hope to see you guys soon, and I'm not gonna quit clapping my hands together because that's annoying. Anyway, thanks guys for your attention, and again, I hope to see you soon. Thanks, bye.